morning on the last day of the Sunday. I think I have some heat stroke. I'm not feeling very well this morning. I burnt the back of my head. I didn't put any sun cream on like the back of my head, and obviously this is netted and I've no longer got any hair, and I didn't really think about it, and I've burnt all the back panel of my head, and I just woke up this morning banging headache. I'm really cold, like I was shivering. I had to put a fleece on and it's very not cold. So I think it's just a little bit of sunstroke maybe. So glasses, backwards hat, protect that burnt bit. But plan is we're just heading into the festival grounds to get some breakfast and a coffee. We're gonna have a mooch around. If there's any last minute sign-ups for some test rides, we might do that if there's anything. My other friends are going out on the TRF this morning, and they asked me if I wanted to join, but I feel like dog shit. I feel awful, so I'm not going to do it. I think I'm too tired, too banging headache, and it's all right though. So I've given him my GoPro, so I'll put my GoPro footage of his little ride in there. I think he's going to take the Africa Twin and his CRF, not his CRF, his WR 250, so should have some footage of both of them, so that'll be his riding, which is much better than my riding anyway, so enjoy that. But yeah, so breakfast, have a mooch, last minute some shopping, and just have a chill last day here, I think. I get why it's like that. I actually think I have a that's us all packed up. Well, almost. Heading off now, so it's a hot one. We're all a bit hot and sweaty. Really enjoyed this weekend. Really enjoyed it. I'm glad we got to do some of the trails and stuff. Definitely going to dirt bike it next year and spend a lot more time on the trails, and hopefully do the TRF next year. Yeah, so if you like the videos from this weekend, give us a like and subscribe if you feel like it, and let us know if you came and what you did and what you enjoyed, and hopefully see you next time we're here. I never know what to end stuff with.
Follow the links below for my spicy page. Let me know if you want me to set up an early time.
Yeah.